There are so many Bluetooth speaker options to choose from, and it can be hard to narrow down the best ones to meet your specific needs. In this video, we break down the top 5 best Bluetooth speakers on the market this year based on portability, sound quality, build quality, and more. We'll be taking a look at products in every budget range, so regardless of whether you've got a few bucks to spare and want the best value, or are looking for the best of the best, we'll have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which Bluetooth speaker will be the best for you, stay tuned. As always, check out the links to the products mentioned in this video in the description below so you can get the most up-to-date information and latest prices. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Starting our list off is the JBL Xtreme 2, our pick for the best rugged Bluetooth speaker. Loud, rugged, and portable. If that's what you're looking for in a Bluetooth speaker, then the JBL Xtreme 2 is top in this arena. It's loud enough to host a party, yet still portable enough to take on a trip to the beach. The JBL Xtreme 2 is built like a tank and has a waterproof rating of IPX7. Measuring 8 by 12 by 18 inches and weighing in just over 5 pounds, this is one of the most rugged and durable Bluetooth speakers on the market. The portability of this speaker is in the beauty of its clever design. With 2 metal loops on top of the speaker and a detachable shoulder strap, you can just sling it over your shoulder and it's ready to go. Lining the top of the speaker is where you'll find all the buttons, including playback controls and power, while the ports are hidden underneath a waterproof flap on the back. In sound, the Xtreme 2 handles the lows nicely with just the right amount of emphasis, while the thumping bass kicks through without getting in the way of the vocals and can be plainly felt. The Xtreme 2 has Bluetooth 4.2 connectivity with a range of 30 feet. However, it does not have codec compatibility, so you might experience a slight delay if you're using this as a speaker for your YouTube videos or movie viewing. On the plus side, JBL Connect Plus lets you connect the speaker to up to 100 other JBL speakers, but for average use, one Xtreme 2 speaker rocks plenty loud enough. Still, it's nice to know that option is there if you need it. The Xtreme 2 gives 15 hours of continuous playback, so you can enjoy a full day of music on a single battery charge. If you want a rugged, portable Bluetooth speaker that's loud, sounds good, and will last you a full day of music playback, then the Xtreme 2 is hard to beat and nails most important aspects required in a tough Bluetooth speaker. Next is the NS Soundboom Mini, our pick for the best budget Bluetooth speaker. The NS Soundboom Mini proves that good things do come in small packages. If you are in the market for a compact Bluetooth speaker that won't break the bank, then the Soundboom Mini may just be up your alley. This is a relatively new offering from Northern Solutions, and with a price tag under $50, it is fast becoming one of the best budget Bluetooth speakers in its class. This little 2.75-inch cube speaker sports a silicone outer casing that not only gives it a nice feel, but also helps to shock protect the speaker from accidental drops. Since it is smaller than a palm, the Soundboom Mini fits easily into your bag or your pocket. The simplistic and unobtrusive design makes the NS Soundboom Mini perfect on the go or as a home edition. Small, compact, and easy to use. A drawback is its 5-hour battery life, but that is understandable given the Soundboom Mini's tiny size. The IPX4 rating means the Soundboom Mini will survive small water jets from any direction, so light rain won't damage it, but it can't survive full submersion in water. The dual-channel passive bass driver pumps low-end bass from either side, allowing the Soundboom Mini to produce decent bass levels. You can't expect the strong and punchy bass or crisp, clean highs found in the Sonos Move or other high-end Bluetooth speakers, but at a fraction of the price, the sound from the Soundboom Mini is relatively well-balanced with only a small amount of distortion at high volume. For a budget mini Bluetooth speaker, the NS Soundboom Mini performs remarkably well. Its small size keeps it extremely portable, and the Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity makes for a more stable, higher quality connection. Overall, this is one little speaker that performs well above its price point. If you're looking for a cheap Bluetooth speaker that offers great value per dollar, the newly released NS Soundboom Mini might be a perfect option for you. Up next we have the Sonos Move, our choice for the best high-end Bluetooth speaker. At $400, it's pricey, but for those looking for a top-of-the-line Bluetooth speaker, the portable Sonos Move justifies every penny with its smart connectivity and living room-worthy sound. Standing 9.5 inches and 6.5 pounds, the Sonos Move is portable, but it's not small. The heavier weight is caused by the large driver magnets in place, which is a fair trade-off for the excellent audio quality that's delivered. The speaker comes with an elegant docking base that functions like a little stand, giving the Move a home when it's not mobile. The Move also works in a stereo pairing, or as part of a Sonos system in a multi-room group, allowing music to play in multiple locations without missing a beat. If you move out of range of a Wi-Fi connection, there's Bluetooth to fall back on. However, features such as Voice Assistant and the Sonos app only function over a Wi-Fi network. By far, the single most standout feature of the Move is the new Sonos TruePlay tuning technology that enables the speaker to self-calibrate by analyzing its own sound output against how the surroundings are affecting it. The speaker will automatically rework the audio output to suit its current environment. What also sets the Sonos Move apart from other portable Bluetooth speakers is the sound. The Move gets surprisingly loud and is able to fill even the largest of rooms. The mid-range driver offers forceful and space-filling low-end, even when competing with the acoustics of a wide-open space, and there's no drop-off in vocal clarity that can often occur with lesser portable speakers. With its powerful driver and full access to the Sonos software ecosystem, the Move is really a full-blown Sonos home speaker, which just so happens to be portable. Few portable speakers on the market have as rich a feature list as the Sonos Move. Although the higher price tag is going to sting initially, what the Sonos Move offers in both features and sound makes this speaker well worth the investment for those who are looking for a top-of-the-line Bluetooth speaker. If you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these products almost daily with sales and general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, check the description. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving this video a like and tell us which product caught your eye in the comments below. Next is the Ultimate Ears Megaboom 3, our pick for the best overall Bluetooth speaker. The $200 Ultimate Ears Megaboom 3 makes a strong case as the one to get, striking an excellent balance of portability, power, and sound quality. The 8.9 by 3.4 inch 2-pound Megaboom 3 is a cylindrical shaped Bluetooth speaker with a durable weatherproof finish that feels indestructible, yet still remains light enough to carry around in a backpack and can be held in your hand just like a water bottle. A notable feature is the top button, called the Magic Button, that can play and pause songs with a single tap, skip tracks with a double tap, and with a long press, instantly access your playlist. The Magic Button can be programmed to launch playlists on Apple Music or Deezer streaming services, but it's more useful for controlling playback. The DJ mode lets you invite up to 2 other friends to help in controlling the mix. This utilizes the speaker's multi-point Bluetooth pairing, and it can all be controlled via the free Megaboom app. One minor caveat to mention is that there is no 3.5mm or other port for a wired connection. The 20+ hours of music playback on the Megaboom 3 is one of the best battery run times for a portable Bluetooth speaker in this class. Unfortunately, you still have to use the dated micro USB connector for charging the speaker, but if you don't want to deal with cables at all, an optional $40 power-up wireless charging dock is available. The 360-degree dispersion of sound is impressive, easily filling up a room. Push it too hard and you'll clearly hear its limits, but otherwise, the overall sound is satisfyingly solid with a nicely balanced bass, mid, and treble tones. The Megaboom 3 is a relatively small, waterproof speaker that can pump out enough sound to fill a patio, features a portable, rugged design that can handle the elements, plays for a long time on a single charge, and can pair with other UE speakers for stereo sound. At its aggressive price point, there really isn't much to rival it, making the Ultimate Ears Megaboom 3 hands down one of the best all-around Bluetooth speakers out there. Finally, we have the Bose Soundlink Micro, our pick for the best micro portable Bluetooth speaker. While the Soundlink Micro may not be a bargain at just under $100, Bose's smallest and most affordable wireless speaker is arguably the best sounding pocket-sized Bluetooth speaker that is able to play louder and produce richer quality bass sound that puts it a cut above competing models in size class. At just over half a pound, the Soundlink Micro may be a tad heavier than some others, but still extremely portable thanks to its 3.8-inch small form factor and is durable enough to keep up with nearly every pace of your life. The Micro uses a semi-elastic silicone strap that can loop around almost anything with a diameter of under 2.5 inches. Not only is the Soundlink Micro impervious to spills, but it's fully waterproof and can endure full submersion for up to 30 minutes thanks to its IPX7 rating. Singing in the shower has never been easier. As far as the sound goes, this little speaker has impressive bass for its size. It doesn't offer the sound quality of Bose's larger, more expensive Bluetooth speakers, but it delivers significantly more bass and volume than other pocketable speakers. The Soundlink Micro also has a built-in microphone for speakerphone calls, but there are noticeable latency issues where the audio may lag behind the video with a 1-second delay. The same goes for skipping tracks or using voice commands. This isn't a deal breaker, but can be annoying at times. The 6 hours of playback time is a bit short, but on the flip side, the Soundlink Micro can simultaneously play music while charging. This isn't ideal, but it's an acceptable compromise that helps to offset the shorter battery time. If you're after maximum portability, the well-built and travel-friendly Bose Soundlink Micro is arguably the best sounding Bluetooth speaker in its tiny size class, making it a solid purchase that you cannot go wrong with. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.